Benu ya mwe butoye. Ma I Maria bin we wa ya ho gino wa Maria bi. O se ni Maria bi na ya o paka. Maria bin gwana gbu e. Unuodo aka. Me na do ata wan. I will be able to make a carry 200,000 men. 200,000. Carry 200,000 men. No, I can't go on. Every day, only 150 euro men. 200,000 plus 150 euro. Where go there?
Wow, that we ho. Do yawa. Na kobege ya we Maria B. In Maria B, we a pad movie they call say I could go sleep with now. Maria Bena, the former wife of our king. The former wife of our king. That is Ubi. Now that is the Maria B. That's woman where they pursue for palace. Now she be Maria B. Where according to the movie where I could go they sleep with. And then the movie also go further to say I could be bribe her with 200,000 naira. Also give her 150 euro. Make it for keep quiet, make it for not talk out. Make the world for not hear the atrocity where you do for that palace. But now here waiting that could be they do for palace with the papa, or you didn't say they give the papa shift title for palace there. So I could have the opportunity of going to the palace to the go to sleep with a Maria B. These are the things where they happen for inside palace when nobody know. Now this one exposed commerce. I could be use money cover up. Maybe the whole world not here. When I hear that now, I could be say a person I could be given 200k plus 150k. Almost close to about 400,000 naira. Maybe for not talk commerce. So see the atrocity where you go do. Ena kobena miamia wira nekme hi no bido here. All of them are quiet. Don't be sure don't hear this video. All the social media presenters they keep quiet. Ni adota na do wiyan bayan na do tiyan ba. Abe chief ni bo so he na o. Eya na gberu. Eya na won. Right from time now they talk. Wait till they mostly they lead all those secrets for that palace they come out for social media. If person that is very close to the palace is not the one leaking it out, bring that information out. Now can you imagine now person like Akobegi and we see a Yato where everybody know go sleep with in Maria B. For palace. And still get that man. Use money, bribe, and the money make it not talk. All of them they fight for him. Wana wene akobese egwa. Then wanibu yi konse. Wana wema akobese egwa. Wanibu wetu wasinyo seginedu. Wadege minoma kodia wa agbegwe. Hello, we are hearing you.
No, I'm not that.
What talk about? Or speaker.
Yeah. And a Maria Bena. Oh, me demand la do guan. Cause I have a no ban. The person like a bat no ban. Oh, me demand la dana wa bat wa ye gwa ya explain no. Keke ne or maybe on my way the morphine. Oh, me demand la was la dana sit there. But the matter na any me do where ya go. No mo dey do say. No mo dey ha me akobe. No ye gwa no ya explain. Even the morphine where on ya be Maria Bena. I'm not going truth. I don't know about or me the consola danesi. Only one thing me. Why you me the go matter now? Not my matter now.
Why that?
I know.
What? Me I forwarded the video here a chief. After my live video, I will forward this video straight to the chief. Now we watch the video now. You understand? I'm going to forward this video to Chief. You should watch the video on there because on there, on our saga, this is not saga. this issue is not saga. We are taking this issue to the next level. You understand? Eba me here, emanigele mudi ayoga to normal. Emanigele go battle le doji. A video na me ya. You understand? Because this is not joke. Always I said you were worried, no. We know you bear you again. You understand? I could be no, yeah, I could be in my hand and I can get for the past 1 or 2 years now. I could be kept mute or marry a bebo or marry Latin. You understand? The by far I could be now. I could be have to go and explain himself in the palace. How come no ya walking back? How come? Our former, I mean to say, former, because it's no longer a wife. You understand? It's no longer a wife. Let me play you guys the video. Why you wanna people want to talk about it? Oh, you know, we to defend the right video now. This is why I brought your picture here. Because you are the defender, work with defense in it. Work with defense if you're not a great striker. If you not can no more, other can take care of that. O man don't be defensive. Do analyze the video now. Do analyze the defense here.
Maria Beno Kwana Bue. Unwodoaka. Mena do ata one. I will be to team Kobega who carry 200,000 men. 200,000. Carry 200,000 men no akago. Every day, una the 150 euro men. 200,000 plus 150 euro. Where go there? There are go there Kobega. Angela la dia, ba mo la dia. And me ata is confirmed. Okay. Bewe una we Maria be. No go na gbu wawera. No go na gbu wawera. Oh Jesus. Well, we Santa ka we mai. Era ka we mai. Era ka we mai. Ejeme uwa diji. Uwa
na le yera. Ere wi u dan we ho a. Era mo wo ikori ro wodo akoberian. U dan we ho. U might not defend it. U might not defend the video now. We let it defend the more again. O might not defend no. O might not defend the no ya die men ya we. Your true godfather now is in question of this video. You understand? And after this video, I'm taking this video to the next level. You understand? Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Hey, are you boy? A matana said, why? Akobes go to palace to go and defend himself on this same video that I'm going to send now. You understand? Even as I'm just here. Let me do the forward. Hold on, let me do the forward. Ahia here for na here big. We are big. We are you are. We are your church. Okay. Let's continue playing our video.
Arrive me. Ego arrive me. Na wari nira because won khodu ne. Won khodu ne. Bera iragbo na agbo bera na ijato wa. No bu bera na ijato. Ode yayo. Amiki no mari ni ya peju. Oga ibawo ba owo ibawo ba do mi na we no wano komaku. Oba areba. Butoy. Ma Maria bin we wa ya ho ginu wa. Maria bi. O se ni Maria bin ya o paka. Maria bin gwana gbu e. Unwodo aka. Me na do ata wan. I will be able to make a who carry 200,000 men. 200,000. Carry 200,000.
Prince Fred, how are you? Prince Fred, how are you? How are you doing? How is your problem? Have you solved it? No. Then I think it is hard time. You cannot be watching me from hospital. Prince Fred, you know, go fit the hospital bed, they watch my video. Are you mad? Farewell first before you go watch my video. Because I will not be there. I can't be comment in the banana. Where the hospital bed? I feel saving your way, feel oxygen your way. No, I'm watching video and do I rubbish because everyone will look back. We're in a hospital bed. Why would I watch a video? Lare a perspective about a video game, a tablet, you know. Is my video your tablet, your medication? Instead of to call doctor. You don't talk about everywhere. Why do I get video? Ukuna unu video we na. Uma nku. Total look your hospital bed wa. My phone we have a video me wa. You va bol la yo gbe. Ni mi ameni gbe ra gbe juwe. Hey, watch a video me wa go hospital bed. To una get block you. He block you. Well, my hospital in there. Look at my hospital in there. Get the baker and when. Where are you going to live? When you have surgery, brain surgery, because your brain is cracking. Understand? Your brain is cracking. You can't think well. Why you guys are prescribed? Why you guys are prescribed the? But I'm going to reply comment again. Why you got reply? What get benny? Was he prescribed? Fred yae. What get benny? Rubbish. No, you can't benny. Because if you don't know, always saying you get yakumoya. Because all of one, they love you, men. Also, Gunania. The way you say when the hospital, yeah, I watch a video each time. Ya Bokobe, Lara Kobe, if you were Australia, or Homo, if I were to begin soon. They might go a little with him. When I'm in the hospital, if I'm in the hospital, and the Humi, or if I'm Kobe. Why I get persuaded me? Why when it's already admitted? No, ya mau you me okay. No make na me ho. Wa ball la rabbit we wa soon go the road. Get off my platform. Get out of my platform, you bloody civilian. Get out. Kobezo, akobe diame. What morning?
Unyo masoto. Unyo masoto. Why ya ho ginu wa? Maria B. O se ni mara bi na ya o paka. Maria B no gwana gbu e. Unu do aka. Me na do ata wan. I will be ro ti me ko be ya. U carry 200,000 me.
Okay.
200,000. Carry 200,000 me no aka bo. Every day, una de €150 me. 200,000 plus 150 euros. Where go there?
Okay, no. What's wrong?
Yeah, go there. Ko be yan. Je la dian. Ba mo la dian. Me ata is confirmed. Be we, una we mother be. No go na gbu wa ra.
Ni akobe yan.
No go na gbu wa ra.
Una ye ka yo gi mother boy.
Oh Jesus. We o. We sa da ka we mai. Era ka we mai. Era.
Wa ona ye ka nyongo kunyo o hweriye for that matter bini we na o na hweriye no ona o hama mu akobe eboni ya no ya damebu na ya damebu na ye ka nyongo wa ku nkere wa ku vie kwere adame ya akobe wa do dame. Okay, let's go there.
Hello.
Pardon.
La vidéo. Moi expliquer.
Tu as expliqué.
Il y a bon. Oh ouais, il est payé. Ça n'a rien bon.
Okay.
À combien? Paquet de coco.
Non.
Ouais, à combien?
On a web n'a pas de talk na mais là que bavé na wa pas quoi.
Agwani dans le bloqué.
Pas comment quoi na social media président là. Wa pas quoi. Et pas quoi. Ou ben que tu as coupé avec coco.
À combien? when I know a bit a ball back calling and one. We are Jacobian where we only a good when I were even tiny. We are equal finishing out when I come out, we met tiny.
Okay.
We are Jacobian. Moye, open a ration.
Ah?
Yes.
Erika, oh yeah, continue.
It's Jacobina where was set way. Now, when I talk, if I had a by we, here go again. Oh, when I do tear, match it working. Taco Big match it working out, John. And match it working in Yala Jautedu.
Okay.
You're not number one.
We're understanding now. In the Murphy group now. It is when I could have issue with Destiny, Bagua and Esther. Which match it where you came in? Want to settle the issue then. When I understand, I hear the story then when Matthew you came called to call Akobe, call Esther, called Bagua, made they settle the issue. Which Akobe disrespected Matthew, he do where you came in. You understand? So when are the listing? Okay. Late Arala Osula of Benin Kingdom. You understand? Where una know. Call Akobe. Make it settle them Destiny and Esther. Akobe now go. Akobe also disrespect Osula. And Akobe define respect for social media. If I'm here allow with respect of Akobe. Assume. We no more respect any cow. We all not respect we. Babu Widaji. Wow, I know. We no more respect any cow. We all not respect we. It is what you sow, you reap. A saga no we call. We reap now. Whatever a man sows, so shall he reap. You understand me now? Many of you will see it that way. Boy, I'm going to Monaco. Boy, I'm going to Monaco. Any man use social media now. As far as Akobe large the saga man, Akobe is part of presenter. They don't see who I don't be presenter. Or large the total was live video for 3 hours. Every live video presenter. Many presenters on social media. You might see a body total for good 2 hours with live video. Many presenters my body total for 2 hours with live video. If I want to mention Emmanuel with 3 hours in live video, Monica, Me, Eddie Murphy, Enogi, Rianti Lolo, Iyori, no it be stand 3 hours with social media now. What is that now? Akobe Deba, Akobe is a monk. No, he's a monk. So what are you saying? Who went on Saga when he's a guy? Yeah, Saga me ukba, ogime 2 years. Also, don't give me that baby. Also, me now mozo. You menwe, me no guy, me na mozo. So I was walking in. You used to know no your zo. If you must go your you out. When you want young marine ya kwa here, me awa zo le yeki. O understand? But wa mozo no man ebe. Na mo de you will not be on the bine. O understand? I was warning you me uzi ya ona. Wana kita no tole le here. Wana e pack be ono pa no pa wa. Wa so the comment section ma. If anyone have been you, when you have bon la ko be na ti jade ni wa wu amore. When e fara mo tie, on na la ko be na wa ti jage ni wa wu dani. You know sir. Ebony wa ya ko ni. Obo no ma e we 2 years ni ewu yen ni. We no mo obo la de, we no vian la de. Yen me ko we ye na jide ya mo obo la ni. Be no ma na ti ya mo obo no ma e ko 2 years lo je wa sun wa ko be yo. You are ball law we no law we no. Well so. Aso yan wa you can that o ya yan we can that one. We yan we can that one. If I'm here law we la yan we can that no ya show we. Yan ni we can that no yan mu ya can that ni. Unless it's carry my ladia. Ya ro mi ya. Kini ya se kini ya na ya se ni family ya. Ah, boli na na show bi na. Ah ya mi yeki. Ko ma on go fi bo ya bi show we. We regularly we bo yan. Ah de do ara ni go le we bo. E wona yan mu we re ni yan ro ya. E wana buku we ku. O nya no ya. No buku we breme mai no sumu dai. O no sumu dai. Ikum e wa bu breme. Wa sa de post TV. Ni ishok. O ma ishok e breme shok. Wa shok ila yin. Eri me ya bu we career social media. E career wo do wu no. Wa o bu we gbe representer. Wa o bu we gbe representer. Presenter almost wo mo ru we. E we ya gbe kan. Wa sun with the rowa. Ya na we ma go na we ma evil ya nu I'm going to expose you. Why na re one corner. Now, no da we na ko be ho ai. Wa do ga ko be no zu ai kin ke logi. We ni ai va ho ai. Era to ogi. What do you expect?
Eteni Mose. Edo ni lo wa kelele si. Me akoberian no. Iwe ile wa do ku omo ku opa. No mu dia no do. Ya hidugu. Iwe ile wa do ku omo ku. No zewe o ha me magbodo. Iwe ile wa do ku omo ku. No mu dia o pe akoko mo. O pe ame nwina o. E me nwina. O ma we. Igo gwopu ya, egwopu ya, oh my way. Oh, oh, ya ga broke, oh my broke. Oh, me ba wo. Oh, pe ha we di ko boy pin ne no ya le ba e. O ile, o ni na me we 1,000 e o ya le. Oh, no ma go do ko ni. Awe me gbe no bu e. O so bi o se dio. Eme ni opa no ati odo e. O ye ati e love, o ye ati e dali. Do wa no igugun ana. Obogun temeni, obogun semeni ge. Ahmed Enogie one of Dutch land. Ni ma gboro ti we ido pon mo. Kate igogo nu e. Debe ebe bonoba na rie nu e. Na yakin okinare. Ebele wo ipali no su obo ko weki mo ki owo ya fe no le yokan. Amen no give one of Dutch land. Ita ina we no wonder no da for na so work.
You see this life? When una see this life, una see say papa dey lie, pikin dey lie. Papa dey live fake life, pikin dey live fake life. E no ge owo akobena zuwa. Ozuo ogbabu bobo imbori. No game ebe akobena celebrate ewe 3 years ago. This video was done 3 years ago. Akobena celebrate ewe iyan ye pale ni yan oran. Dede ni are be ni yelora ma. Waya e de na ye be ni yelora. E de no we no give awowa last year. 3 years ago akobewe video na. Ginogi no we ya celebrate ebe no ba ogari ogba ni arin ne no ya yan yugari e ma gba ogo nu wi iwe idole wa po won idole ma gbo gogo ebe no ba ore dot ladi e document ni arin akobe wo ai udele igo ya we to wi dele mi igo ya we kian igo ori ya we to wi eni na we ma sell italo all the name of you want to make money. Akobegia, you see your life. You see your life. Wait till you don't know. I want you go when we verify. Uso atalo. Why you go want to know what know tala. No, how when ati wa bola wa makobe. Udele mu dozu wa elebo. Dele nu ye gbo. Akobe na mu ni go be o. Umenwa me wedo. Umenwa me wedo. Oh, akobe. Enogi never be. Enogi never documents. Olden days us version of where? Or a show. Enogi never swag. Enogi. Dame ho akobe. You dey see your life.
No work by way. Ina we no wonder. No da for Enogi one of Dutchland. Le na me back ya. Oga ya to wa boy. E ogi sete tu. Ye di owa. Iyo go me wa no ge me na. O ma no me gboku we ni ana. no wage fotai na ona me bakia boy ai hu ai Jesus area mi na chade enogi o sade bawe we no yo bono ma mo ko well ori etime o ka mame penu ya hu e mo kan e na si agbada wonu abi ateme na la jan nu we okigbo kigbe iyare ogbowere enogi to atora ede wa is a to ebo ati we toyo edo ati o sa no to ebo no we bo ati we totorizo e chanisi ati we toyo iyaro ayo obono ba to pe ise carry on o sara woru Jesus bye bye
udage no wa yakobe udage no wa no giriye a document no do celebrate nyaji am I read document in here who you think you are fooling who is not get fool in social media Ariye Benue or Marie Benue is for your own cup of tea a big congratulations to you but don't deceive people whoever documents una decide to zero na kobe not to celebrate wa wo kan Ariye Benue. Oh God. Some people on this social media some people the kind lengths where they go just to create awareness, not be smart thing. A document 3 years ago video be up about we are not there. To the who want pay go na kobe celebrate o kan we got any passport in winning. We can't let them celebrate a passport to go to France. What if France passport to go there? They know. Everything about you is rubbish. Everything about you is fake life or live. Ula the weather don't BMW ladia. It would demoto. Up to now, I'm a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow apart from Carello. A vagina ya momo. Oh yeah, a government of a dead one will be a government of a done one. A vagin. A government then. Now you they come and they call the talk say, are they jealous you? Ou maybe. Oh woman where you are. Imemo where you are. You understand? When we Virginia, we pay her strength like we the measurement na you may pay her strength you wanna. You pay her strength with the rent. Men will be many rent. 2 bedroom. You know, you want to be paid. When we are Saji, Omo will give a gem na coco. You are a asylum seeker. The same way my asylum seeker. A government coco, a coco moko cabe. You put a government property. When you imagine America government, a government cook me, more contribute in the government. A government contribute in me. And you get taxpayer pay me. One day no council with government naelamobo. Anything I'm doing is my money. More pay yo, but more jealous way according to you. Hello? Hello?
You do life.
Yes.
Hello?
I did life.
Okay. I beg you, I want to ask, sorry. The 5,000 where you donate, give her, where you say they want to give her a document, now we still the way to.
Oh God. Enoki, where is the answer? All this, Enoki, if I see what I call you now. Or when 5,000 are donated nowhere, ni are donated nowhere, they might pay you. Or when 5,000 euro, nowhere I'm with traffic anywhere. Why pay the 5,000 euro in a kid documenting? Which now trigger people. At the moment I go where they are DCV do. At the moment they bow, on a go where DCV do all over the world. At the moment I don't waiting a lucky do. At the moment I can want a year. Ona ekene mata ye no ya de me no ya go bari ya we no ya ba we. Wana ekene mata ye wana ato ri ma ye do. Eddie Murphy here where you traffic no Germany. Eddie Murphy decide to come out with you. Or we are the well Latina. If you to it which a lot of people really did. True, because of Eddie Murphy, nobody else. Because when Eddie Murphy had the well Latina video, if you not really mind up to donate that money for you. And what you said you want to use that money for, it was not what you used the money for. Instead of it to tell the world where Kofranu ye, ya must traffic. A court in Udeba. Ya must traffic. And I'm here giving a report to it. They because of that they stop you for live video for about 3 days. You started begging. At the moment now go away. He begged each and every one of them. They not give you a fund to pay. When I am hearing where you know to have a video social media where a court in Udeba. A court in Udeba will pay 5,000 naira before we get to our live video. Who hear him where you know family world where your court member charge you 5,000 euros, which is about 6 million naira, before you can come out to do live video. You have to use on that logic to deceive your followers, telling them where a document where you must traffic. Those followers ni mwere the bottle. Our cows anima pay madani was baby. They started contributing to you. They did not ask you a question. Where is that? Which of the Europe country is that kind of thing done for an immigrant who came through the Mediterranean Sea to seek for humanitarian protection? Will be given a fine of 5,000 euros to pay cash. Where is that done? An immigrant who does not have a job, an immigrant who is being fed by the government will not charge you 5,000 euros to pay a fine of 5,000 euros before they could give you, they would tender you their humanitarian protection. They could tender you a document, a permission to live in that country. They started donating all those of us, our illiterate women, some of them. They started raising funds for you. Men, trust my men. Men, a lot of responsibility on their head to cater for. They'll come and send you. And use men, please. They don't get your time. They go only look, they laugh. Bless. You take advantage of them. You deceive them. Take advantage of them. The funniest part of it all, none of them will even listen to the people that are even telling them the truth about you. Where I tell oh, I do the pity no you. Okay, now that one make cannot get document. You're not so azio. I don't know you. No, be yes, be yes. No, it's another American was 500,000. No matter if you bought in social media. Social media. I was sitting down here laughing. If I went down. But today, you said January, they will tender you a document. Tina, where you made documents? 2 days ago, I'll show you advice. I was just laughing at you. You know what I just laugh. Look at the way you take deceive people. You went to the machine. When I pay only a machine. You have deceive you doing. Like seriously, where a government, I can't take government to your pay. You know what it's traffic. I was traffic 40 something euros. I'm not about 50 euros me. Yeah, I was traffic by Genova. You Genova was traffic me. A tabaki. And I pay traffic. Another account in your pay me. I went to tabaki and I pay. I'm already at pay bank. Tabaki. You know what? It's traffic. You want to stop what in here. You're not the money, you're not the system. And I said, bro, you're not pretty sitting at the minute. When that a machine, a bank government no be, a government of their country don't have pay, Deutschland of their oh God. You get what? This is the worst you could do. You have done on social media. Everything about you is always lie, fake life, lie, fake life, lie, fake life. Oh my, you have a problem genuinely that need the support or the help of the people. Nobody will love to assist that person because of your deceived. No way deceive you. Somebody will be dying now. Need people support. No only support error.